An early version of today's SodaStream. These are Soda King Syphon bottles, designed by Worthen Paxton and Norman Bell Geddes. They were manufactured by the Walter Kidde Sales Company, which was originally a construction company, but eventually developed new techniques in fire suppression systems using pressurized carbon dioxide, namely the first portable carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. So the pivot to carbonating siphon bottles was a sensible business venture during the Great Depression. These colorful bottles were a redesign of the original Soda King siphon bottles that carbonated water. The Walter Kidde Sales Company commissioned Norman Bell Geddes' design firm for the project. Earlier versions of the siphon bottles were made out of glass with protruding nozzles and handles. The newer design featured sleek, shiny chrome with a curved top and a flared spout. It was also rechargeable, with replaceable CO2 superchargers also sold by Kidde. The interwar Art Deco era saw the rise of the industrial designer. Many designers were influenced by the period's fascination with technology and science. Designers Worthen Paxton and Norman Bell Geddes envisioned futuristic siphon bottles that balanced the popular streamlined form of the 1930s with functionalism. Streamlining had roots in hydrodynamics and aeronautics, derived from birds and fish in nature, with a focus on motion. The ideal streamlined form was an elongated sphere or teardrop shape, which is reflected in the overall Soda King design. The spout of the bottle is also reminiscent of a dorsal fin. The new Soda King design was patented in 1938 by Paxton, who led the project, and manufactured in time to hit department store shelves for the holiday season. Advertised as the Syphon of Tomorrow, they were also released just before the 1939 New York World's Fair, which had the motto, "The World of Tomorrow." Marketed as both fashionable and economical, the siphons produced seltzer water at the equivalent of 7 cents a quart. Norman Bell Geddes was one of the leading industrial designers of the 20th century. It was a well-timed commission for the Walter Kidde Company, as Bell Geddes' firm, including Paxton, designed both the General Motors Highways and Horizons and Futurama exhibits at the 1939 New York World's Fair. Streamlined products were popular in 1930s homes and were synonymous with efficiency, cleanliness, and quality, all of which appealed to frugal consumers during the Depression.